change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change.
What's up everyone, Sumit here from Sumitisalluneed. मुझे बहुत questions आते हैं regarding what protein supplement people should take in order to build a physique like me and trusted brands that do not mess with their health and is easy on pockets. आज मैंने इसी topic पर वीडियो बनाने का प्लान किया है and I'll help you with the information on which whey protein I personally use and recommend after consuming and learning about it. So let's start the video.
Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy.
शुरू करते हैं with a simple definition of what protein is कि protein होता क्या है and why do we need it. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass. There are three types of macronutrients. पहला आता है हमारा protein, then fats and carbohydrates. So macronutrients make up our calories and gives us energy. हमारी body को larger amount में macronutrients की जरूरत होती है to sustain life. Hence वहीं से term आता है macro. Protein is found throughout our body in muscles, bone, skin, hair and virtually every other part of our body and tissue. So इससे आपको पता लग ही गया होगा कि how important is protein for our body. Protein can be found in various foods such as meat, dairy, seeds, nuts, lentils, beans, etc. But हम यहाँ इसलिए हैं so that I can tell you about what whey protein I personally use and इसके benefits. So people commonly use whey as supplementation alongside resistance exercise such as gym, fitness to help improve muscle protein synthesis and promote the growth of lean muscle mass. It is a complete high quality protein containing all the essential amino acids. In addition, it is very digestible, absorbed from the gut very quickly compared to other types of protein. Right, so अब मैं उस प्रोटीन की बात करूँगा which I personally use and recommend. आजकल मार्केट में हजारों brands available है for supplementation. But the only issue when it comes to such variety is reliability and authenticity. यही रीजन की वजह से I trust Muscleblaze because I do not want to take any sort of risks with my health. The one I've started using is a Muscleblaze Biozyme Whey Protein. The one which I went for is a 1 kg tub जो कि around 2000 का आ जाता है and gives us around 27 servings जो कि एक महीना हमारा पूरा अच्छी तरह चल जाता है. इस tub का प्राइस और साइज बताने का ये रीजन है to tell you how easy on pocket and authentic protein can be, which you can totally rely on. So थोड़े से key points बताता हूँ इस प्रोडक्ट के. Muscleblaze Biozyme Whey Lab Tool USA से tested and certified है, यानी जो न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यूज इसके बॉक्स पे लिखी है वो आपको 100% पर स्कूप भी मिलती है. इसके एक स्कूप में 25 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन, 5.5 ग्राम्स ऑफ BCAA, 11.75 ग्राम्स ऑफ EAA एंड सिर्फ 1.8 grams of fats है, which will all in all result in lean muscle mass, which I think most of you are chasing. इसमें Muscleblaze का international patent applied enhanced absorption formula भी है जो कि आपकी बॉडी को 50% higher protein absorption और 60% higher BCAA absorption भी देता है compared to other whey proteins. Muscleblaze Biozyme series का हर बैच का प्रोडक्ट SGS लैब मानेसर में भी टेस्ट किया जाता है जो कि दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी प्रोडक्ट टेस्टिंग और इंस्पेक्शन लैब्स का नेटवर्क है. Muscleblaze इंडिया का लौता एक ब्रांड है जो कि 2 इंडिपेंडेंट लैब्स द्वारा टेस्टेड और सर्टिफाइड है प्योरिटी के लिए. इसका टेस्ट जनरली मुझे 10 out of 10 लगा है क्योंकि जब भी मैं वे प्रोटीन सेलेक्ट करता हूँ आई रियली नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द टेस्ट दैट आई रियली नीड, क्योंकि वे प्रोटीन कैन बी यूज्ड इन वेरियस वेज. यू कैन मेक ब्राउनीज आउट ऑफ इट, यू कैन मेक डेजर्ट्स आउट ऑफ इट and obviously you can drink it as it is with milk or water. So मैंने यहाँ पे अपना ऑर्डर किया था आइसक्रीम चॉकलेट फ्लेवर which is one of the best ones if you want. That is my personal recommendation. तो ये मेरी आइसक्रीम की क्रेविंग भी हटा देता है एंड मेरी प्रोटीन की नीड भी पूरी करता है. और ये मेन बात हमारी बॉडी पे बहुत लाइट फील होता है, हमारी स्टमक पे बहुत लाइट फील होता है. इट डज नॉट मेक माई स्टमक अपसेट लाइक other whey proteins can, and ये protein specifically Indian bodies के लिए बनाया गया है as stated by the company, which means that they know about our body and what our body might need, unlike any other foreign brands. If you're not a big fan of the ice cream chocolate flavor, then they have a variety of flavors that you can order from, जैसे कि hazelnut chocolate और mango भी. मेरा favorite तो ice cream chocolate flavor है, but you can give any of them a try if you want. So this is the one that I trust and am using as of now, and also the brand जो कि मैं trust करता हूँ personally. So this is my review for the product. लेकिन मैं यही recommend करूँगा to buy one to see what suits you. As always, this was Sumit from Sumitisalluneed, and do let me know in the comments अगर तुम्हें और भी कोई product का honest review चाहिए या फिर what supplements you want me to make a video on. And make sure to be healthy and get stronger. Goodbye.